Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video and I have decided to split this video in 3 parts because बहुत सारे stuff purchase किए हैं मैंने and एक ही video में दिखाना is quite difficult, बहुत ज़्यादा messy हो जाता. So this is going to be Zara and H&M haul and another 2 videos will be up soon. One is Ajio and Myntra haul and one is Nykaa haul, obviously Nykaa Pink Friday sale. And probably ये video जब live जाएगा it will be my birthday. So yeah, because 1st December is my birthday and this is my birthday haul. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with the video. But before that, please hit that subscribe button and join the squad. So yeah, let's start with the video now. So let's start with the very first piece which I'm wearing right now, obviously, and this is my favorite from the lot, and this one is a sweat hoodie dress. And जब से मैंने आर्याना वाला वीडियो किया था ना, I was so obsessed with her looks, you know. So I tried to include as many pieces as I can in my wardrobe because yeah, I am just digging for those looks, you know, those sweat dresses with shoes with high knees. So yeah, you will see how it looks on me. I mean, इस dress को आप कैसे भी पहन सकते हो. I mean, you can pair it up with shoes, sneakers and thigh-high boots, yeah, as Ariana does, and it looks absolutely amazing on her. And so yeah, this one is my favorite, and this is very light, powdery, dusty pink kind of a color, and this is my comfort zone actually. I mostly gravitate towards this kind of colors, you know. I mean neutrals and pastels. I love dark colors also, but still these are my comfort colors. I mean, I feel very confident and very pretty in this. And yeah, talking about the quality and all, this is so comfortable and so, you know, warm, and the material is so soft and so smooth and so luxurious. I mean, you can't go wrong with Zara and H&M, right? So yeah, this was my first pick, and you will see, I will insert a clip, so you will see how it looks on me, and मैं इसको कैसे कैसे स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ, उसके लिए I'll make more videos, but इसमें just to give you the idea that how it looks overall. So from Zara, I purchased this oversized t-shirt. In case you don't know, अभी तक अगर आपने अंदाज़ा नहीं लगाया है, तो I am obsessed with cartoon characters. I haven't grown up as such, I feel. मतलब जब से मैं शॉप कर रही हूँ ना, from past 7 to 10 years, I'm constantly shopping Mickey Mouse printed or Pooh, as you can see here, even a Donald Duck and Pluto. Those are so cute. Those cartoon characters look so cute. It looks so appealing. So I got this. So can you see this? This looks so cute. And if you are thinking कि ये सिर्फ front पे है, तो no, इसकी back side में भी बहुत cute सा imprint किया गया है cartoon. So yeah, this is so cute, and this was my second pick. And yeah, this is in full cotton material and this looks so super amazing. हो और इसमें crop top ना हो, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. So I got one crop top also, very basic. So I got this to pair with my jackets and my sweatshirts, even my oversized coats. Yeah, उसके साथ भी this is going to look very nice. This is going to look very nice. So this is very basic, ribbed material. It is ribbed. I hope you can see this. So it is in ribbed material and it looks super amazing. I mean, I love the V-neck detailing which it has. And yeah, this is also very basic and very typical kind of a piece. But another product which I got is this bodysuit. So this is a bodysuit from Zara. It is also in size small. In case you are wondering, I basically wear size small in Zara and H&M. अभी मैंने थोड़ा सा वेट गेन किया है, but I bought all the products in my actual size जो मैं पहनती हूँ, because ओवर साइज लेने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, because I am not going to stay this bulky. Of course I am going to lose weight, so, and this is super stretchy by the way, and the material is net and ये पूरा transparent है as you can see. So obviously I am going to wear something underneath. I am not going to wear it on its own, and I basically got it to pair with high-waisted dark blue high-waisted jean, and even a dark blue high-waisted denim skirt. Yeah, that will look also super cute with this. So yeah, and I was eyeing for this kind of a piece for quite some time, you know. Yeah, finally I got it, and yeah, you will see in the clip how it looks on me. And next product, which was quite disappointing. मतलब मैंने जब इसको साइट पे देखा ना तो डार्किश ग्रे काइंड ऑफ अ कलर था. I will insert a picture so you can see. And when it came, it is light gray kind of a finish. But yeah, still I'm going to keep it. But ये color भी अच्छा है. Let's see next time. So yeah, you will see how it looks in wearing on. So yeah. Now moving on to next product. It is from H&M, and oh god, पता है मैं इसको बहुत टाइम से सोच रही थी खरीदने का, but somehow I didn't bought it. But when I saw this on a discount, I was like, give it to me. Yeah, again in my comfort zone. This is cream color. Yeah, this is in cream shade, and इसका हुडी बहुत क्यूट है. I mean, you know, it has यूनिकॉर्न एम्बेलिशमेंट या क्या, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो सॉफ्ट. हाँ, ये कोई बहुत कड़क नहीं है, एंड इट हैज़ ईयर्स ऑल्सो. दिस इज़ सो क्यूट, एंड इट हैज़ रिटन आई डोंट बिलीव इन you either. This is quite cool. I haven't read that. So yeah, this is my next pick, and this looks super amazing and super cute. Next thing I purchased is very basic V-neck full sleeves t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt नहीं, top कहेंगे इसको. This is not t-shirt. So yeah, the material is very soft. I mean, you can, you know, hold it in your palm. इतना सॉफ्ट है. एंड दिस इज़ अ फुल स्लीव टी शर्ट जिसकी वी नेक डिटेलिंग है. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू लुक ब्यूटिफुल, यू नो. आप कैसे भी पहन सकते हो उसको. यू कैन वेयर इट लाइक ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप ऑल्सो, एंड ऐसे तो या ऑफ कोर्स पहन ही सकते हो. एंड यू नो, वी नेक जो होता है ना, बहुत ही खूबसूरत डिटेलिंग ऐड करता है टू द एनी लुक. एंड दिस इज़ गोइंग टू लुक वेरी classy with my denim jackets, with my leather finish jacket. I don't buy leather, okay. So next purchase which I did is I bought these stockings, because in winters बहुत essential हो जाता है ये, and very useful. You can pair it up with dresses, with skirt, with shorts. सबके साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I got it in a pair of two. So yeah, it was looking so pretty, and ये पूरा कवर करेगा. I mean, socks की तरह ही है. And yeah, it is very nice, you know. क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत स्ट्रेची है, एंड इट गिव्स बहुत ही थोड़ा सा सिंचिंग स्लिमिंग इफेक्ट ऑल्सो. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं इसमें, बहुत ज़्यादा इट इज़ नॉट अ बॉडी शेपर. बहुत ज़्यादा सिंचिंग और स्लिमिंग इफेक्ट नहीं है इसमें, बट या इट इज़ क्वाइट गुड. सो आई गॉट स्टॉकिंग्स ऑल्सो. एंड नेक्स्ट परचेज आई डिड इज दिस. सो आई डिड अ ब्लंडर इन दिस. सबसे पहले जब मैंने ऑर्डर किया था तो आई ऑर्डर्ड इन साइज मीडियम. ओके, सो मीडियम वॉज लाइक एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल. इतना छोटा था मीडियम साइज उसका. तो आई थॉट एल नहीं एक्सेल मंगा लेती हूँ. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड एक्सेल, एंड दिस इज़ वे बिगर. दिस इज़ वेरी ब्रॉड एंड बिग. तो H&M की बेल्ट में साइज़ मुझे समझ ही नहीं आती एक्चुअली. आई हैवंट रिटर्न्ड इट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यू कैन कट इट फ्रॉम हेयर, यू नो, आप कट कर सकते हो एंड दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी ओके। बट इसमें आईलेट्स हैं, एम्बेलिस्ड आईलेट्स, बट आई वॉज नॉट आइंग फॉर दिस, बट मिला नहीं जो मैं चाह रही थी उस टाइप का प्रोडक्ट, सो आई गॉट दिस। एंड या what else, and yeah, moving on to the last product which I purchased. This is a mid calf length socks because I have few looks in my mind, you know, जो मैं create करना चाहती हूँ अपने चैनल पे। So yeah, stay tuned for more looks, I mean more winter essentials and winter styling kind of a look. I am going to do those kind of videos super soon, so stay tuned for that. Because अभी ना I know I'm not making as much video as I should because एक तो मेरा बर्थडे है, उसमें थोड़ी सी मैं बिजी हूँ, और I'm promising you guys that I'll come up with more and more videos, at least 2 videos per week. So yeah, join this family and hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, stay tuned for more such videos. I will be back soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.